Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How are you? As we know, Arvind Kejriwal has already launched the Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana previously in the year 2017, helping thousands of students of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe by providing them fund in a type of a scholarship for the coaching. They had to go thorough to undertake certain competitive exam of India. The list of the coaching centers which can provide the benefits of the Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana was already out by the Delhi government, and the benefits were availed by the students. Okay, all the schemes are aimed to help the poor and economically backward people. The education is one of the most prestigious and the greatest asset a human being could possess. Okay, now let us see what is the criteria for students to be eligible under the Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana. The student have to eligible through the following criteria. Only students belonging to OBC and EWS residing in Delhi and who have passed 10th and 12th from the school in Delhi are eligible. Total family income must not be more than 8 lakh per annum. Income and caste certificate issued by the office of the concerned district magistrate should be presented. Benefits under the scheme can be available by a particular student not more than twice. The candidates will be entitled for the free coaching for both the examination, preliminary examination and mains examination. The selected student shall have to attend all classes. Okay, now features of Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana. Firstly, this scheme has made up for only scheduled caste and scheduled tribes students. Also, the benefits given of free coaching in Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana can be availed by any student for a maximum of 2 times only. As a result of this scheme, the applicant should show the family income proof also. In the income proof, the family income should not be more than 6 lakh rupees per annum. In case the family income of student has exceeded 6 lakh rupees criteria, then they cannot have this benefit under the scheme. Due to this scheme, the government has to give 75% charges of a student coaching and remaining 25% should be managed by the student or his family. Student applicant family income for the first time applicant should be between 2 lakh to 6 lakh rupees only. And in case you have to apply to this scheme for the second time, then the government will bear only 50% charges of the coaching institute. Another 50% should be managed by students themselves. Now let's see what documents are required here. Under the Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana, monthly stipend will also be available to the student who enroll in the scheme. The stipend will be given by the coaching centers. Monthly stipend of rate 2,500 per student will be paid for local students for attending the coaching classes. Required documents: Aadhaar card, mobile number with details, passport size photo, income certificate, caste certificate, residence certificate, ration card. Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana registration. The eligible aspirants who wish to join free civil service coaching under Jai Bhim Mukhyamantri Pratibha Vikas Yojana have to fill application form. First of all, visit the official website or institute. After that, download application form. Now under the application form, fill in the all essential details carefully. Then submit the hard copy of the application. Pahuja Law Academy is going to start their classes from 27 August, which is live, recorded, offline, online, both. So please fill up your form before 27 August and take your classes. For more information, you can call this number. For more information, please check the descriptions. Also, you can ask any question in comment box or mail. If you like this video information, then please subscribe, like and share this video and press the bell icon also to get the notification first. Thank you so much.